Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you and your loved one will be safe and sound with the grace of Allah Almighty. Our today's topic is To a Little Girl That Has Told a Lie. And activities, questions, answers of this lesson. And let's try to understand the question answer one by one. And question number one is, what are the friendly warnings? Warnings is the plural of warning. Warning mean be alert, be aware. Okay, and the first part is friend. Friend means healthy, you can say that in a polite way. And if we try to understand this word, it means politely, alert, politely, words for making us aware, alert. From which kind of? When we have to get when we get the friendly warnings, who can give us the friendly warnings? Okay, if we consider that in context of this poem, who is giving the friendly warnings? Mother is giving the friendly warnings, but our main focus will be on our topic, that is To a Little Girl That Has Told a Lie, and we have to write the answer in context of this topic. Dear students, what are the friendly warnings? इसका क्या मतलब है? फ्रेंडली वार्निंग्स यानी कि एक दोस्ताना माहौल में किसी को बाखबर रखना, और सबसे ज़्यादा अगर देखें तो वालिदैन, और उनसे भी ज़्यादा देखें तो क्रिएटर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स यानी कि खुदा ताला, यानी कि अल्लाह करीम हमें क्या करते हैं? अच्छे अंदाज से बाखबर करता है, नुकसान से हमें बाखबर करता है कि अगर ये काम करोगे तो इसमें आपका नुकसान है. So what are the friendly warnings? You have to write the answer of this question. For writing these questions, you have to read the lesson properly. When we get the friendly warnings, when we do something wrong, and our conscience, it means inner voice, ज़मीर हमारा, ज़मीर tells that it's wrong, adopt the right path. If you do the wrong act, if you do something wrong, you should be very careful that if the people are not watching you, who is watching you? The creator is watching you. So what you have to do? You have to accept that you should not tell a lie, you should not punish other people. Okay, because if the other people can do the mistakes, we can also do the mistakes, and we do. Dear students, जब एक हमारे ज़मीर की आवाज़ है कि जब हम कोई गलती करते हैं तो हमें पता, हमारे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि हमने ये काम गलत किया है, या कोई हमें बताता है कि आपने ये काम गलत किया है, और एक अच्छे अंदाज से बताते हैं हमें, इस अंदाज से कि नेक्स्ट टाइम आपने ये काम नहीं करना. अगर हम काम ये करते हैं और कोई नहीं देख रहा होता, छुप छुपा कर करते हैं, तो लेकिन कौन देख रहा होता है? गॉड देख रहा होता है, क्रिएटर देख रहा है, यानी कि खुदा ताला, यानी कि अल्लाह ताला देख रहा होता है, और वो हमारी गलतियों को देख रहा होता है और हमारे हर अमल को देख रहा होता है. इवन कि वो हमारी सोच से भी बाखबर है, जो हमारे दिल में ख्याल आते हैं वो उससे भी वो बाखबर है. Dear students, you have to write the answer in your own words after reading the lesson in your own wordings. Second question is, why is it a happy way to own a fault? Here, own a fault means गलती मान लेना, to accept your mistake. To own a fault means accept your mistakes. Happy way, अच्छा way. In this question, why, it means reason. It means reason. Why is it a happy way to own a fault? If we accept our fault, what will happen? If we accept our mistakes, what will happen? We can get the solutions of the problems. We can overcome our problems. We can save ourselves from our doing mistakes next time. And we can also learn that we should be maintain good relationship with others when someone does anything wrong or does mistake. In this question, we have to give the two reasons. First, if we accept our mistakes, then we can find out the solution. It can be a reason. If we accept our mistakes, or if we own a fault, then we can improve our working. If we accept our fault, what will happen? We can become a good leader. We can improve the relationship. We can accept that if other people do mistakes, we also do mistakes. It means we are considering ourselves and ourselves human, and human always does mistakes, and we learn the things that is the forgiving. Dear students, you have to give the two reasons in your own wordings. If you have the problem, then you can ask me. And next is the question number 3. What's the question number 3? What are the qualities of God that has been described in this poem? It means in this poem there are some qualities of the attributes of the God that has been described in this poem. Dear student, for finding out the answer of this question, you have to read the poem again. Then you can observe and find out the answer easily. And question number 4 is, what is the central idea of the poem? Dear students, you can say that what's the message of the poem? It means what's the basic idea around which the poem is written, and you may take the help from the summary that you have done earlier. For finding out the answers, you have to understand the lesson again, and I hope that all of you can do it easily. सेंट्रल आइडिया क्या है? मरकज़ी ख्याल, यानी कि इस पूरे लेसन यानी कि पोएम में का मेन पॉइंट्स क्या हैं इनके, यानी कि इसका मैसेज क्या है. बेसिकली यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन in your own wordings. Dear students, if you have the problem, then you can ask me question by commenting. I hope that all of you can do it easily, and you have to do this work on your neat notebook. And here is the diary. Solve the questions and write them on your neat notebook. Dear students, work hard and stay blessed and take care of yourself and your loved one. Thank you.